How's it going, everyone? We're going to talk about WISA. It's just kind of funny because someone mentioned this stock in my YouTube. I was reading the comments and someone said WISA is a really good setup. You should check it out. And yeah, like what the heck? This thing's up 100% on the day. Everything makes sense about it to me, and I'll show you guys what I'm looking for. If you guys are new to the channel, what we're looking for is the EMAs are the three bands here. You have the 20, the 10, and the 5. The 5 is the purple, 10 is the yellow, and then 20 is the blue. Those are potential price targets. Those are conservative targets. That's where price has to go to. Algos will take it to anywhere in price history. It doesn't matter what you look at. Every price goes back to it. As you can see, when there's gaps here, we fill that in. You can have very long gaps like this, and you fill it in. And what's nice about WISA is it's known to spike to this upper band here. This is a massive sell zone. When it gets up here, you need to be very cautious. It can just plummet down. So when we're looking at this, would I buy this? No, absolutely not. I missed the boat, right? It hits this ATR4, it tries to get above it, and it's starting to go down. Can it close right here? Yes, and then go above it the next day? Absolutely, it can do that. We saw that last time. We saw that last time right here. It closed, right here, went way below it, and then the next day it went above it, and then it can't sustain it. But you got to realize is, remember, price reverts to the mean. So even on the upside, this is your short-term reversion to the mean. Is this EMA 5? If it decides to bounce from here, it absolutely can. But if it don't, it can go all the way back down to the 10 and 20, and that's where, price can do whatever it wants to. That's the end of the story. So right now we're in a very bullish cycle. We got rid of this bearish cycle. I'm just curious, from the lows to here to the highs, you're at 163% return. That is a very, very nice gain there. Yeah, if we draw the trend channels here, I'm just kind of curious to what we see here. I can't believe I missed out on this one. Yeah, so what we look for is, you look for price to get close to this ATR4. It got very, very close to it, as you can see right here. Super, super close. The volume, and this is probably why I probably would have got a little hesitant. If you look at the volume, and this is where you can get the most massive moves, by the way. If you have very low volume, when I say low, I'm thinking anything less than 500,000, and then you come up to 154 million volume, that's what's going to cause the stock to do this. Low volume to super high volume. So you have 500, even 100,000 on this day. So there's like literally none volume, like nothing happening. So in this trend channel, you have this touch here on the lower band. You have a close to HR4. And what's nice is, you didn't touch the EMA 20 since all the way back to 719, so 819, it's 94. So it was getting there, due for that. At the very least, you were due for the 5 and the 10, but this thing probably spiked up, probably pre-market, after hours here. Yeah, pre-market here, it started spiking up at 4 in the morning. You had this nice little return here. It's just started going up from here. So that was definitely a beautiful gain for everyone that took it right in here. And then price is still going up here, but I definitely wouldn't take it. I know a lot of people are new to trading and they see price go up this much and they think they're going to miss the boat, and they're like, oh, I want to get in now. The problem is you didn't want it here at the less than $1, or near $1, but now you want to buy it when it's at 278. This is I get it. If you're day trading, this is the stock to go for. If you're day trading, you can look at the 1-minute chart and you can see price is going to do the same thing. When it gets the ATR4, you could short it and it goes down on a very short term 1 minute, but you want to make sure you have time distance, because if you don't have time distance, you can get kind of screwed over. But I'm not seeing anything touching the lower band on the 1 minute, which is very interesting. Price just kept going up. So yeah, this is my analysis on WISA. Congrats to all the bulls you guys that made this trade. I don't know if you guys are back holding way back here, as this thing had a big slow decline, but anyone that got in early and used my system and got in near this ATR4, used the trend channels and saw, this thing is touching a lower trend channel here. As you can see right here, if it goes a little under, I'll accumulate some more, and it was just a very nice big move. Remember though, low volume stocks are very tricky. They're not going to always pan like this. It can go extremely low, farther than you could think, and then they can have this one big random candle when they had that massive volume. So that's the thing. And usually what triggers that is news, a catalyst. So you have this low volume, nobody wants it, to a catalyst. But with this system, price has to revert at least back to the 5 and the 10, and then the 20. So all these three middle bands are targets for you. So Yeah, that's my analysis. You know, not really much to do here. I wouldn't trade this thing for a very long time. It's already made its move. There's other stocks that I am looking to trade. If you guys want to see them, we want to see my current positions and see what I'm looking to get into. Join the Discord. You can see my strategy. You can learn it. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts system. If you click the link down below in the YouTube comments and in the description, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android, you will have to subscribe through your phone, browser, or computer. Avoid scammers. I'll never trade your accounts or message or DM you first. And then read the testimonies to be reassured that this service works. We just had one guy pass a prop firm with a $150,000 account, got approved to trade futures. It's freaking awesome. So server shop in the top left will take you to how to subscribe. I'm definitely just going to recommend what I discussed was a swing trading. Swing trading can be very boring. It could take, you know, days, weeks, you know, sometimes even months to get the desired outcome you want. So remember, if you want a faster pace and you want one of my best services and access everything, you want to try out the Day in Swing Trading Plus. I don't think you honestly won't regret it. We had new members that had very nice returns. Obviously it is better than my swing trading because, you know, the faster returns, you can predict movements happening in a shorter time frame than on a daily. Daily is only for swing trading. You have to do that because that is your highest value if you want to hold overnight. Whereas day trading, we can use short-term options to make 10 to 20% gains in a matter of minutes, doing a very safe strategy that's not gambling. And I can even show you guys the journal here. If you guys do decide to join, it's only 12 bucks a month. If you subscribe on your computer, you won't pay any more. But this is the day, that's swing trades. And if you go to day trades, we have been on a massive win ratio, making very nice returns consistently after consistently wins. So if you guys want to join, I think you guys are gonna really like it. The main thing is about this service is we really teach you how to fish. It's not really about just following my alerts, even though you're going to get entries and exits to your phone. But I'm going to show you guys what I look for, so you're confident if you're in the trade, you know what to look for, when to exit, and all that. So for 12 bucks a month, you get access to all the channels here, my live streams, my journal, my day trade education, swing trading education, all that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, this is WISA analysis. Right now we're at the ATR4. Expect a pullback here. I suspect we'll hit this EMA 5 probably sometime this week. So expect a pullback here. Do we bounce from there? You know, that would be the support area right here. All right, guys. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, comment what you liked about it, or just tell me what your average is. Put some rockets in the chat if you made a lot of money on this. And I hope to see you guys in the Discord. Peace out and happy trading.